Hey guys, this is Goldy again, and in today's video I will show you how to purchase your domain name. Now, domain name can be your digital identity, so you can have one where you can host your website, you can have your emails at your own domain, for example goldy@goldyaurora.com and so on. Now, there are multiple domain services provider. You can buy from any of these, but personally I like Godaddy because it's simple and easy to use, so I will be purchasing that from Godaddy, but it's up to you. You can purchase it from any of the domain providers and it's all the same thing. So for that I will go to godaddy.com and I will be searching for the domain that I need. So I know that I'm looking for auroragoldy.com. I already have goldyarora.com. Just for this video I want to buy this one. So once you put this in the search bar, which most of the domain providers have as a major button on their homepage, then you will be clicking on search to check whether this specific domain is available for registration or not. And Godaddy is fortunately running the promotion where instead of $10 a year they're offering it just $1. So I'll go to click on add and it's added to my cart. I will click on continue the cart. Now obviously domain services providers will be asking for your personal information to make sure that they have the records in their database. It will also offer some other add-ons or services such as privacy protection, which means if you get this, then general public will not be able to figure out that it's you behind this domain name. But I'm just buying it to do this video series, so I will click on no thank you and I will move ahead. Same to other services. I will just click on continue with these options, which means just the domain name. Now you should have your credit card ready by this time because very soon it will be asking you to make the payment. Now usually when these domain services provider run the promotions, they might try to get you in by offering some discount on the first tier, but then onwards it will start charging you the usual rate, which is more or less $10 a year. So I will just go with 1 year and take that at 99 cents. And then I will just scroll down and say I would like to go ahead and proceed with the checkout. So at this time it is asking me to create an account so that I can log in and make the changes as required in future. If you already have account, obviously you can just log into that account and buy it. For this reference, I'll go and create a new username and ID. Okay, so don't have an account? Create an account. I'll click on create. I'll type in my email address. I'll make that my username and I will also give it a password with the criteria, and I'm gonna type the support pin, which is, let's say this one, which I'm blurring, and then I'll click on create an account. Once you do that, let's see what happens next. Is it gonna send a verification email to my email address? No, it didn't do that. So it's now asking for my personal information as expected. So I'm going to type my first name, my last name, my email address, country, and the address. So I'm quickly typing the address here, my zip code, which is 08536 at the time of recording this video, and my city, and then you will also type in your state. I'm in New Jersey, and then you will type the organization name. I'm an individual, so I'll just type my name and your phone number. So that's my phone number. Once you do that, as expected, it is asking you to put your credit card information. So I'll go ahead and put my credit card. So, and here you go. So now I'm entering the credit card information. I have to hide this information, so I'll blur this video, but you get the idea. This is where you would be putting your payment information. So I'm quickly entering this, and then I will enter the security code, which is at the back of your credit card. It's a 3-digit one, and then I'll be putting the name on my credit card. I'm done with this. Now the expiration date of the credit card, which is this. Once I'm done with this, you can also, Godaddy will give you an option to save your credit card details for express checkout for your future purposes, so that you don't need to enter the whole detail again. You can just select the profile and it will save the credit card details. So it's up to you if you want to save that, but I will simply uncheck this and I will click on continue. So now Godaddy is asking me to review the information which I have provided and make sure that it's correct, and then it's asking me to put the captcha just to make sure that I'm a human being, not a robot, and finally to place the order. So I'll go ahead and put the captcha, and hopefully I should be able to do it right at the first time. So say X59VEAP. Hope I got it right, and I'll click on place your order. And now Godaddy will process the transaction, and it says your order has been submitted. And very soon we will be getting an email which will have our details of DNS. Now whenever you purchase a domain, you get access to your domain name system or your domain's administration panel, where you can log in and you can make changes, such as you can create your email services, you can host your website so that your website shows up when somebody types in your domain name in the browser, and so on. And in the next video I will show you how to register your Godaddy domain with G Suite so that you can start using Google's services such as emails, calendar, contacts, drive, hangout, sites, and so on. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to put those as comments below this video. Thank you.